We start things off with some continuing coverage. First up, with a one-year moratorium against data centers now in place throughout the city of Spokane, Mayor Lisa Brown is putting together a team to consider the potential impact of a data center. KREM 2's Caitlin Galloway joins us now from the newsroom to break it all down. Caitlin.
Well, hey, Brandon, people have urged the city to consider the impacts of a potential data center thoroughly and responsibly, and that's what the mayor's work group aims to do. The potential for a data center prompted a lot of feedback from the community, who shared their thoughts at this week's city council meetings, and to the county commissioners and planning committee, urging them to consider moratoriums, zoning, and policy to regulate data center development.
People with land that is within 5 miles of these data centers, they're not gonna be able to sell their homes. They're gonna be upside down in them because no one wants to live close to these things. So please don't do that to our kids. If you have kids, if you have grandkids, if you care at all, don't do something that's going to poison our community more.
Some people urge the county and the city to prohibit data centers altogether. Others say they know data centers are inevitable, but called on the county leaders to move forward with more transparency.
Anybody can say we're bringing jobs. Let's see the numbers. Let's see what kind of jobs. Are these working class jobs? Are these union jobs? Are these jobs that are paying a living wage? Are these jobs that we want here?
The data center work group hopes to answer those kinds of questions for the city. The group is made up of city employees from multiple departments to evaluate and help develop recommendations. In a presentation at Wednesday's city council meeting, the mayor's office presented fundamental questions to guide the work group's focus, centering around what types of circumstances a data center could be allowed under and how it fits in with the city's environmental and economic goals. Regardless of whether people at the council meeting support a data center in their community, they urge the city to move forward responsibly.
Hopefully the big ask is this moratorium doesn't become an absolute no forever. That there's a path forward that's reasonable, makes sense. Our members are pressing us every day, new construction opportunities to grow our economy and have them strive locally.
I really would encourage the council to, during this data center moratorium, really lean into the science and the negative impacts that data centers have in their current form on human health.
Well, the County Planning Committee says they will discuss data center specific zoning and coding as part of their process. In the newsroom, Caitlin Galloway, KREM 2 News.